since the error is usually tied to Riot Client Vanguard anti-cheat issues. #why van9051 happens. Riot Vanguard anti-cheat not running correctly. Riot Client update corrupted. Windows virtualization secure boot issues. Third-party software interfering. Outdated game or Windows build. Restart Riot Client and Vanguard. 1. Close Riot Client completely. System tray exit. 2. Press Ctrl-Shift-ESC, end Riot Client services.exe and vgtray.exe if running. 3. Press Windows R, type, you can see the code in our conversation history. 4. Locate VGC, right-click, start or restart. 5. Launch Riot Client again. Reinstall Vanguard. 1. Go to Control Panel, Programs and Features. 2. Find Riot Vanguard, uninstall. 3. Restart PC. 4. Launch Valorant or LoL, Riot Client will reinstall Vanguard automatically. Enable Secure Boot and TPM in BIOS. Vanguard requires secure system settings. 1. Restart PC. Enter BIOS, F2 Dell F10 depending on motherboard. To enable Secure Boot TPM 2.0 FTPM. 3. Save and exit. Update Windows. Go to Settings, Windows Update, install all pending updates. Vanguard often breaks on outdated builds. Clear Riot Client cache. 1. Close Riot Client. 2. Go to. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Delete the Riot Client folder. Restart game. Disable conflicting software temporarily close, VPNs, Razer Synapse, SteelSeries GG, MSI Afterburner, RTSS, unofficial overclocking tools. Full reinstall Riot Client. 1. Uninstall Riot Client and Vanguard. 2. Delete leftover folders. You can see the code in our conversation history. 3. Download fresh installer from Riot Games' official site. Please open your app to see this link. Quick win fix. Reinstalling Vanguard plus enabling Secure Boot plus clearing Riot Client cache fixes van9051 for most players.